Hello everyone, welcome back to another fresh episode of Tech Logged In. Today I will be unboxing a refurbished smartphone from toogood.com, which is a Flipkart initiative or a Flipkart sub-brand. This brand toogood.com sells you refurbished and unboxed smartphones. They are in different categories like super, excellent categories, refurbished categories, used category, unboxed categories. So depending on the category you can purchase smartphone from here. Apart from a smartphone, this site also provides you refurbished laptops, refurbished phone accessories, etc. So let's begin with the video. This box will be shipped with Flipkart's their own logistics, that is e-cart. The phone is Micromax Evok Note and I have purchased this for 5,499, that means 5,500. The box is packed nicely. So the box is not the original box. You get custom Toogood box. This is not the original box of the phone. Here you get to see some important info about the phone. The phone is a certified refurbished in superb condition. Another seal. The phone is wrapped nicely. The screen looks perfect. The phone looks just like brand new. No scratches, no dents. On the top is the 3.5mm jack. Down you get a single speaker and a charging port. On the front you get the fingerprint scanner. On the right side you get to see the volume rockers and the power button. Towards the back you get to see a 13 megapixel camera and a dual LED flash. On the left side you get to see the SIM tray, which is a hybrid SIM. Now let's see the accessories. You get a SIM ejector, which is not original. Some Toogood documents, warranty card. This product comes with a 6-month warranty. They have provided the original data cable. The adapter is also original. This is a 2 ampere charger. And also the original Micromax earphones, which is in-ear style, and nothing else in the box. Now let's turn on the device and see if everything works perfect or not. The device is turning on and we need to set up the phone. The fingerprint sensor works perfectly, but it is slow, quite slow. Everything looks perfect. The screen quality is also good. This screen is a 1080p panel. You get 3GB RAM and 32GB internal and a 4000 mAh battery. You get too many bloatwares in this phone, but you can uninstall many of them. Camera also looks perfect and works fine. The speaker is also working fine, but it is not too loud. So an important tip I would like to share with all of you: whenever you buy a certified refurbished or any kind of refurbished smartphone, please do check the camera and the screen quality, because many times you get bad screen or bad camera. Please check the screen, the camera, and also check the network, if your SIM card is working on the phone or not. There is nothing harm in buying a refurbished smartphone. You can buy and use just like normal. So hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.